So it's day 4, and yeah, the goal was to cut the back off of this cabinet, right? So that it can fit into the back of or over the wheel well. And then I've got some liquid nails that I'm gonna try to attach it to the floor. All right, let's see. So before we get to this part of placing the cabinet into the van, we have to see the part where it was woman versus cabinet. And there were several times that I can tell that the cabinet was winning. The number of times I stopped and looked at this cabinet to see what exactly had occurred for its creation in order for me to get to the part where I could perform my demolition is ridiculous. Also, I probably should not be left alone with hand tools such as any type of saw, as you can see. I resort to something as simple as prying because the sawing was not working out for me. Seeing a couple of nails here and there that I thought, surely I should just be able to push this apart, made me think that this was all going to work out in a much simpler fashion than it turned out to be. So please continue to watch and also understand that I now know saws are not necessarily my best friend, and also pray for my fingers as I continue to pray for my fingers throughout this entire process.